Hello guys, welcome to my channel. FitGirl setup errors or DLL missing errors while installing FitGirl games. Then follow these steps to prevent it. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection. Select manage settings, turn off the real-time protection and select yes. After turning off, just to minimize this page, double click on the setup folder, double click on setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and select next. Select next and select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. In game language, you just need to select your preferred language, guys. I'm gonna select English and scroll down and select this check mark update directx and then select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in this PC so C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option. And now as you can see the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here, uncheck this option guys, open this site and select finish option. As you can see all files are okay, there is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX. As you can see the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys, thank you.